Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. If you have a time, you should also try to read. Kejriwal launches election campaign. Revdi pe charcha ahead of assembly polls. Propping up its saggy image due to corruption charges of Supremo Arvind Kejriwal on Friday launched a fortnight-long election campaign titled Revdi Pe Charcha beginning November 25 ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections next year, even as the party faces internal turmoil, slamming Prime Minister Narendra Modi's repeated criticism of free services. Kejriwal said, "Yes, we are proudly offering these six remedies to the Delhi's." He also challenged to implement a free power scheme in the states ruled by the BJP-led NDA. Kejriwal's campaign name played on the BJP chip on the party's freebies or rewards given to the people. Launching the campaign, Kejriwal said the party's district and booth level office bearers will reach out to voters, distributing pamphlets about the free facilities provided by the AAP government. During the campaign, AAP leaders and workers have planned to hold 65,000 small public meetings across the national capital's 70 assembly constituencies, apprising the public of their free services. Pamphlets detailing these benefits, referred to as Revdies, will also be distributed. The initiative is designed to bring AAP's achievements directly to the people, especially its popular freebies or Revdies, which have been a corn- cornerstone of the party's governance. Free power till first 200 units, 20,000 liter free water, free education, mohalla clinics, free bus ride for women, and the free pilgrimage scheme for elderly will be highlighted by the AAP teams visiting house holds during the campaign. The emphasis of the campaign would be that the BJP would throw these facilities in the bin if people vote for them. Delhi's governance is split half under us, half under BJP, and over past decade we have delivered electricity, water, schools, hospitals, road, CCTV cameras, street lights, and sewage system, while BJP has only stalled progress. He said he alleged that the BJP wants to stop all the free facilities in the national capital. The BJP. Hey, Pius, go inside and watch. Is go inside and watch. In power in 20 states, and not even in a single state do they provide any of these free remedies. This is because they don't have the intention. Only AAP knows how to provide these facilities, Kejriwal said. He further said that AAP workers will ask the voters what the BJP has done for Delhi in the last 10 years, since the national capital is a half state and the central government has as many powers as we do. All the BJP has done in the past decade is to halt the AAP government's developmental works. Kejriwal added, backing Kejriwal's announcement. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi said in a post in Hindi on X, Arvind Kejriwal has spent people's tax money on public instead of keeping it in his pocket. But all this will stop if the BJP comes to power in Delhi. The people of Delhi will have to make Arvind Kejriwal their chief minister once again to save the free electricity, he added. AAP has been in campaign mode after the Lok Sabha elections, with the senior leaders including Kejriwal holding a series of padayatras and MLAs reaching out to households through your MLA at your doorsteps. Among others, AAP has 59 seats in Delhi Assembly while BJP has 7 seats. AAP got 62 seats in 2020 assembly election and the BJP got 8, but two AAP MLAs including Chhatrapur MLA Kartar Singh Tanwar and Rajendra Pal Gautam resigned from the assembly, citing differences with the party. Thank you guys for watching this.